Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can block links in your YouTube video comment section. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is go to your profile icon on the top right, then go into YouTube Studio, and once you're on here you want to go to settings near the bottom left. Then you should see community moderation, so you just want to click on that. And all you need to do is just scroll right down to the bottom and you should see block links. So this just means if you select this option, new comments with hashtags and URLs will be held. This setting doesn't apply to you moderators or approved users. So if you're happy with all that, just tick the box on there, then select save. And that's how you can block links on your YouTube comments. Thanks for watching.